Namaskar, I'm Anamika here from Village Story, Bangalore, and we are happy to announce the launch of our microgreen DIY kit, which we have launched all over the place, including Amazon and on our app, Village Story website, on our social media. And we would request all of you guys to explore our initiative, which is grow your own microgreens at home with Village Story DIY kit. So today we are demonstrating how to use these microgreen kit to all of you guys. So this is the microgreen kit, which is a family size microgreen kit. We are giving you two beautiful transparent recycled plastic trays. We are giving you 4 types of seeds. The seeds will be available as per the availability in the market and also as per the seasonality. Here the box has radish, chia, mustard, fenugreek. Then we have a specially formulated organic potting mix only for microgreens, which we have developed in with Village Story. From last 2 years we have been working on this microgreen. So this is the potting mix which comes with the spray can, and also it comes with these tags which you can write your crop name and the date when you sow this seed and when you are harvesting. So today we are going to show you how to grow your microgreen at home. And there are a few tips which is written on these packaging box. Superfood microgreen, in terms of it has 5 to 40 times level of vital nutrients compared to mature counterparts. So yeah, we will be showing you today and demonstrating how to use these microgreens. Before that, we would like to show you microgreen collections here. You can see this wheatgrass, radish, we have some flax, we have some mustard, we have some peas, chia, everything I can show you here. Some mustard here, some fenugreek, some flax, some peas, some radish, wheatgrass, sunflower, so many more. So Village Story, we do 20 to 25 types of microgreens, and we grow our own microgreens. We sell kit, we do workshops, so anything to do related with microgreens, here Village Story is there and we are doing it. Also after the potting mix is over, we are also selling potting mix separately on the platform, so that you can buy your potting mix again and again after you are done with your microgreen DIY for the first time, because these are replenishments which you can keep buying in bulk or individual. So yeah, also we are selling our different type of seeds. We have chia, sunflower, peas, fenugreek, mustard, flax, radish and wheatgrass. So all these things will also will be there for as a replenishment for our DIY kit. You can keep using and you can keep picking it up. This is how the microgreen looks like. You can see this is how at the end your microgreen looks like. Totally densed, very fresh and amazing to taste. We will be talking more about microgreen, but yes, once you get your microgreen kit, the first step what you have to do, you have to wait for 1 day. Why? Because these are the microgreen potting mix which you will be putting 1 day, just 1 day in soaking it in water. You can use the tray also. You can take this tray and soak it in this tray in 3 liters of water. So that gives you 3 kgs of potting mix the next day. And then very important that you pick up your seed and you wash your seed. First you wash your seed and then you soak your seed for overnight or 24 hours. The more 24 hours is very good for germination of the seed. One more tip which we would like to give here, that never soak small tiny seeds like basil, chia seeds, then amaranthus, because those are very tiny. After soaking, it really loses the shape and very difficult to broadcast and very difficult to handle. So big seeds like starting from mustard, sunflower, peas, radish, then wheatgrass, all of these you can soak. 24 hours soaking, and before soaking, washing of the seeds are very important. One more thing which I want to add here, that Village Story, all the seeds are organic seeds. We only use non-GMO seed, non-coating seed, no chemicals are used, and very important, we source all our seeds directly from the farmers. and everything is non-GMO. So we would motivate all of you guys to try our microgreen kit, and let's see how to start this microgreen kit. So first you will be taking this tray. After soaking this potting mix, it becomes 3 kgs of this. You can see this, it became 3 kgs of, it has so many things in this. We can let you know, we have in this, we have, it contains well digested compost, fermented coir peat, NPK biofertilizer, plant growth promoters and plant immunity booster. So it has all the ingredient plus 18 to 20 more types of things which is gone inside to grow our microgreen. You can see the result of our microgreens here, how it is growing. So once this is done, the first step will be, you take your tray and you fill it up. You fill it up for 1.5 to 2 inches. Very important that you do everything gently, and you can use your hand if you don't have any garden equipment, so don't worry. You can use your hand. You can pat it very gently. That is the second step. Okay, the third step will be that you spray with your spray gun which we have provided. You can spray some water. So make sure that you are not waterlogging any of these trays. It is very important for microgreen just to give a spray, nice spray. You can see the spray, nice. You can see this. So you can see this. This is 1.5 inch height which we have filled up our potting mix. And if you have something stiff in the house, then maybe you can use, I use these just to make it little more. You can tap it with some hard thing like this. So why I do this, I will show you. So the growth is also as firm, as like this. Just little bit tap here is a very good idea. So this is the small tray which I am demonstrating. So this happens, and then what you do, these are the soaked seed which we have put it on a, you can use this kitchen towel, and what you can do, you can take out these seeds and put it here so that the water can come out. You can little bit keep it for maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes till the water gets dry. So what we have done, we have done this exercise and we have removed these seeds here. You can see this here, and then I am going to broadcast it here. So you can take this here and as dense as possible. You can see this. You can see this here. See how dense, because we have measured, we have given 50 grams of microgreen seeds in every kit. So this is how dense it is going to be looking like. Just take this from here, and then what you have to do, you take little bit more potting mix and just powder it. You don't have to put so much, just hide the seed. It is important so that it binds with the soil. Also the germination happens faster. Little bit more I can take. Yeah, you can see this here very closely. And again you can tap this with your something little hard, or you can do it with your hand also. See this? What is the next step? You have to again put some water. Very important that you should use any of these tags and you put it here with the date, so that you know that you have started your microgreen, which is, you know, today 29th of October, and maybe 7 to 8 days this is ready to you know, to be harvested and eaten. I will show you how to harvest, very important. So this is our this tray will go and look like this after 7 to 8 days. You have to hold your microgreen very gently, a bunch of microgreen with your hand. Yeah, so see, the roots are here. We are not taking the roots. These are the roots. You can see these roots. These roots will look like this. You know, these all roots have come on the potting mix. And look at this. You can just pluck, you know, you can just pick up, sorry. You can take your microgreen in your hand, and you can take 1 inch above so that the soil doesn't come in your hand, and you can remove your microgreen like this. So you can see this. This is how the microgreens are harvested. No roots, no seeds. If you see the seed, if you just dust your microgreen like this, the seed will fall off, and this is the result, you get it. So this is how all the microgreens we harvest like this. You can see different type of microgreens. These are mustard, peas, flax, sunflower, red radish, then you have fenugreek and wheatgrass. So no roots and no seeds, and very 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 you know, tasty to eat, very clean to eat. But yes, we definitely like you guys to little bit do a gentle wash. It is important to do a, you know, gentle wash. And how to use these microgreens? These microgreens are used in sandwiches, salad, some rolls. Also people are complementing in dessert. Many ways of using these microgreens, you know, by omelette, smoothies, some shakes, and then garnish. You can do any the best thing about the microgreen, it is so new on your table that you can actually experiment, and please share it with us, and we can motivate you to grow your own microgreen at home. During this lockdown, we have given you know, we started this initiative, and it's really doing well. And this is the best gift which you can give it to your parents. You can engage your family, your kids, and it's an amazing bonding family time, which people know how to grow your own food. They know how to consume it. They respect the farmer. They don't waste. The best part about the microgreen in terms of the taste, if you compare it with sprout, this is much tastier. Every microgreen has a different taste altogether, and you can really play with this microgreen. No tension for cooking, because microgreens are eaten raw. The more raw it is, the healthier, and the nutritional value can, you know, is you know, there. It doesn't get cooked. You know, it doesn't get wasted if you use it raw. So yeah, so our microgreen kit with potting mix. So please go to Amazon, and please come to our social media page and on our WhatsApp. My number is 9740700900 or info@villagetory.co.in. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Grow healthy, so healthy, eat healthy, and everything what you do has to be now related you know, to, you know, the health aspect. So yeah, thank you so much guys. Thank you again. Signing off, Anamika.